Never thought I would say that. I'd be so happy that it'll be 46 degrees in our region. I'm always moaning like, no, not 46. Now I'm like, hey, 46, I'll take it.
Yeah,
it's all
definitely.
perspective. I was happy today just when the sun was out.
Yeah.
You know,
So
I felt that was nice.
This is the hottest we're going to get this week, Mikey.
It is. We've got a couple of days, and we're going to get into the 40s, and then after that, we'll have another cold front come through, and then we've got a little bit of snow on the map again, so we'll take a look at the 7-day in just a minute. Right now, current temperatures over in Dulles, high today, only 28 degrees, right now 22. The good thing is we didn't really have that wind. It was pretty calm all day, thankfully, so our wind chills were just in the upper teens. So overall, not too bad if you dress appropriately, which I tend not to do when it's cold outside. I don't know why. But temperatures right now, you can see Middleburg 19, Front Royal 19, Luray 20, Culpeper 18. So it's chilly, but as you notice, you typically have those colder temperatures by the early morning hours. And right now we're looking at resting going to be 21 degrees. So that means the temperatures are actually going to go in the other direction overnight. So we'll stay right around those upper teens all throughout the next 4 or 5 hours. And then once we get closer to the morning, they will shift because the winds will be out of the south. That's why we'll see some of those warmer temperatures and then a quicker warm up even tomorrow. So right now we've got clear skies. That's kind of what made the temperatures drop even more because all that heat is just going up into the upper atmosphere. And that high pressure moves off. It's got a clockwise rotation, bringing in some of that warmer air right now, which once again is just a great reprieve. So as we look at the 7-day trend, we can see that we will jump up to the mid-40s for a couple of days, hovering right around 40 degrees by the end of the week, relatively dry and quiet, and then back into the 20s, and then we slowly creep back up into the 30s as we start the beginning of next week. So some of the things we're watching, obviously it's going to be cold tonight, warmer on Wednesday. This is just a short warm-up. Like I said, we've got about 3 days or so. It's going to be a quiet all throughout the week, and then we have the probability of snow. That's just our next system that we're watching. So heading into tomorrow morning, we've got some sunny skies to start the day. So for the most part, a lot of sun in the morning, some clouds later in the afternoon. Once we get into Thursday, we're introduced with a few more clouds just because we've got a weak low pressure and a clipper that's moving through, so we'll have a lot of cloud cover. Will relatively be dry. We can just see in West Virginia, higher elevations, they can get some snow squalls or snow showers. And then once that moves through on Friday, we're looking at clouds in the morning, a little bit more sun in the afternoon, and then that's really about it. So that's kind of the quiet before that next system rolls in on the weekend. So tomorrow morning, starting off at 20 degrees, warming up all the way up to right around freezing at 10 a.m. So it'll be a quick warm up. In fact, take a look at that, 45 degrees in Great Falls. Partly cloudy conditions, and once again, mild conditions, which are pretty nice. So Leesburg 43, Front Royal 50, Manassas 46, Fredericksburg 49 degrees. So as we mentioned, the next few days, very dry, temperatures in the 40s, so nice and mild. We will have breezy conditions on Friday. That'll kind of usher in that cold air. Behind that front on Saturday at 27 will be our high. Sunday into Monday, that's a system we're keeping a close eye on. Potential for snow late Sunday into Monday morning. Then 36 degrees, sun comes back out on Tuesday, and that's a look at your 7-day forecast.